one of the things that would be useful for us to consider is, well, what does readiness really look like? Um, and so, when you're thinking about it, Nathan, we'll start with you on the legal side. What does that look like?
So again, readiness really comes down to a lot of the things we've already talked about. Do you know your number? Do you know the value of your business? Do you have all of the information at your fingertips so that you can provide it to the advisors? Do you have your contracts? If you're a heavily driven contract business, have you looked at those? Can you sell those? Are those assignable? Are there any regulatory issues that you've got to go and get somebody's consent? uh, your top 20 vendors, all of those things are going to be on the diligence list the buyer's asking for. So, do you have it? I can't tell you how many times we've sat down with somebody and said, this is what they're going to ask. Give us this information. They're like, well, it's going to be 2 weeks before we can go find all that stuff. We haven't looked at it. So, just actually having that information around is a huge readiness signal. Um, are you in compliance with everything you're supposed to be in compliance with? It's surprisingly a lot of folks are not, and they find out when a buyer comes in and kicks the tires, you've got a lot of problems. And we want to do all of that sort of like a pre-transaction diligence, a pre-Q of E, so that you get rid of all the bad stuff before the buyer finds it. Because as soon as they see an issue, purchase price discount.